Welcome to Fit Kitchen, your go-to destination for healthy living.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Soumya and I'm so excited to be sharing the another breakfast meal today. In past years, I have learned what is the importance of protein intake in your diet. It truly doesn't matter what your goals are, like what are that is, like losing weight or building muscle, becoming more toned or more energized or healthy skin, nail, hair. Having enough protein in your diet is the absolute key. Now everyone's protein intake will look little bit different depending on the weight, age, gender and activities all of the day we do. You adjust the portion of your size based on your day-to-day routine. Guys, in today's recipe we are preparing eggs. Eggs are a nutritious food that can provide many health benefits. One whole egg has 6 grams of high quality protein, one of the only food naturally containing vitamin D, E, A, iron and calcium. Egg also promote healthy hair and nail growth. It is very cheap to buy and easy to cook. Eggs are also contain sodium, omega-3 fatty acids. It's great for vision, good for brain and spinal cord, build and repair your tissues such as muscles. Please use much as possible as eggs in your diet. Okay guys, let's start the breakfast meal today. For this breakfast we need 2 whole egg and 2 brown bread and some oil, like you can use olive oil or coconut oil. I am using coconut oil, so it is very healthy also for hair and skin. Once the pan get heated, we can crack the egg. Before that we can use our brown bread. I use this way, I toast the bread this way because you can use, if you have a toaster at home, you can use it. I prefer this way, so it is easy for me and very fast also. Within few minutes, seconds only, your bread will be prepared. This is very healthy and super easy for anyone who can go to work or who came from gym. So it is very time saving also. Now let's try the eggs. Use the some salt, little bit of pepper, that's it. You can use both the eggs at the time. I prefer this way. Some people will use both the eggs and crack in the one corner. That's fine. My choice is this one. You can use whatever your choice. The salt. Pepper. That is it, guys. Next, see, you can use, this is the plate. Now you can use some fruits also to boost your energy, and you can use some of the nuts like almonds. Okay guys, this is the final look of the plate. 2 whole eggs, brown bread, fruit of your choice. I like apples, so I eat apple, and then nuts, whichever you like, few almonds, and then black coffee without sugar. So it is very healthy and best and fast, super easy recipe. Please try and let me know what's your experience on this recipe. Time to dig in. Enjoy. See you soon. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please recreate my recipe and do share your experience on comment. If you not yet subscribed, please join the YouTube family, and hope you have the amazing rest of your day, and I see you soon.